Hi, I'm Kelly.
And I'm Lauren of Sissfit, and we're excited to be outside today showing you guys 5 tips for how to stay more active while you're getting outside with your kids.
So we have a combination of strength and cardio options. You can fit them in pretty much any time, so we hope that you'll enjoy learning how to implement these into your normal schedule. Walking lunges. So walking lunges are great anytime that you're out walking, whether you're pushing a stroller or even a tricycle like Logan is in. You'll take one large step forward into your lunge, making sure that your knee is directly over your ankle, not way in front of it. And then you'll press up and step forward with the next leg. So it's a really good way to work your quads and your glutes. They don't even notice that you're not walking like normal. And then once you get tired, you can stand up, keep walking, and then add a few more sets in.
Squat jumps. So squat jumps are a great exercise you can incorporate into your walk. We suggest just stopping, putting on that brake. You'll squat down, give it a jump. So just working a few squat jumps until you really feel that burnout. You just want to make sure that your weight is always in your heels, your knees are stacked directly above your ankles, and then you're just working that jump until you feel a good burn. Kick off the brake, keep going with your walk. So maybe every couple of minutes you can work those in. If you don't want to do the jump, you always have the option to do squat pulses. So you can squat down to 90 degrees, pulse 3 times, and then return to the top. So once again, just working until you feel that burnout. And then keep going with your walk. Hey, bud.
Walk jog. So a great way to enhance your normal walk is to add a jog into it. So you'll pick it up and work that jog and then come back to a walk. So we like to recommend about 30 seconds, so you can always bring a watch if you want. 30 seconds for that fast jog and then coming back to a walk for about a minute until you recover. It makes it fun for the kiddos, and then you burn a lot more calories and get a great workout in along the way.
Kickouts. So kickouts are a great exercise, especially if you have a little one napping in their stroller. Just make sure that your brake is on. You can use your handlebar lightly for support. You're gonna put all the weight in your standing leg. Raise the other leg till your knee is at 90 degrees, and then make sure your foot is flexed. Try and keep your hips squared to the ground, and then you're just kicking that leg in and out, keeping that knee raised the entire time. So you're really gonna feel this in your outer glute. You'll actually feel it in your standing leg again. Once you get that burn, switch to the other side. And there you go, your kid's just napping the whole time. You're getting a workout, it's a win-win.
Hill running. So hill running is an amazing way to get a really quick and awesome workout in. So if you have your little one in a stroller, we recommend running up a pretty steep hill for about 30 to 40 seconds and then walking down and repeating about 5 to 6 times. It's a very intense workout, it's very challenging, but it's great to tone the entire back side of your legs. So we're gonna take off right up this hill. Here we go, bud. So there you have it, 5 easy tips for staying active when you're outside with your kids.
We hope you learned something new that you can incorporate into your everyday routine, and we'll see you next time.